Eat this soup to boost your blood and just generally improve your immune system. The name of the soup I want you to have is called lentil soup. Yes, lentil soup. Do you know lentils? You can find it in the market. Go get lentils. It's also showing in the image. Get lentils, get your tomatoes, your pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, green pepper, get them. Blend your tomatoes, your pepper, your onions, blend it together. Then put your lentil on the fire, allow it to cook till it's soft. You can soak the lentils before cooking. I would advise you to actually soak your lentils for like 8 hours before you proceed to cooking. You don't need to throw the water you use in soaking it away. So soak it and then you put it on the fire. When it's cooked, add your blended condiments to it, add your seasoning to taste, add just a little piece of fish to it, get scent leaf or mint leaf or parsley, any of our oregano, any of all these leaves. Get 1 tablespoon of olive oil. It is a soup, so make sure that you don't make it to be too thick, So put your soup, allow it to cook, use a stainless pot, allow it to cook. When it simmers very well, I want you to serve it, drink it every evening for 3 weeks non-stop. Now, this particular soup is very good for children, it's good for teenagers, good for men, good for women, especially elderly people. I want you to do this lentil soup. You don't know what lentils can do. I've done a review on the plant lentils and how it can help boost your blood levels and also help your immune system. Get lentils now and drink lentil soup so that you can boost your blood cells and boost your immune system. I will see you tomorrow as I talk more about how to take your health. Bye.